Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today we will discuss about solution of Upwork policy violation. As you can see the alert, some of your recent activity violated our terms of service. When you click on review our marketplace standards, it will open model which will show the links of policy of Upwork that which policy you have violated. Then you will also see one checkbox. Just click on that and submit it once you read all the terms and condition of the Upwork. Or if you have received this email regarding the policy violation, as you can see on the screen, we have set your Upwork profile to private because it is includes your direct contact information, which is against Upwork's terms of service. So if you receive this kind of email, they will set your profile to private. As you can see, when I'm searching my profile Vismay Kumar, it is showing there are no results. If you copy your profile into the incognito mode, same thing, you can't see your profile. For make your profile public again, you can just write this email: hi Upwork support team, thank you for your message. I have review and update my profile as requested. Please review it and restore it to public view. I will put this text into description. You can just copy and paste it. So I have submit this appeal. Within 24 hours I received the email from the Upwork support team. As you can see, they are saying we are happy to inform you that your profile is now set back to the public view. Now as you can see, now it is public in incognito mode. Also in the Upwork search, it is again in public mode. If you're facing this kind of issue, you can follow my solution. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.